What it do, man? We back with another video, man. You just not tuned in, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button at the top. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. Hey, this is a part 2 to the last video I dropped, bro. We had another meet that we just found out about. And you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of cars that just pulled up, man. There's a lot of cars out here, bro. So I'm just gonna go around and see what's all out here, man. But hold on. You know, I'm gonna start from the top, man. Oh shit, I'm all in the way. Go ahead. And you got Infinities, BMWs, Cats, you got built motors, all types of stuff, man. Coming in the way, man. Hey, it's a lot of Beamers and Infinities up here, though, bro. Like, it's a lot of Beamers and Infinities, bro. We done pulled up to another little car meet, man, and you know what I'm saying? Just had to come across this GTO right here. Them more sound so good, but he pulled in, them more. But this more, he got so much shit on it. God, dog. Man, I heard you when you came. I was trying to get a sound tip for you before you cut it out, but I was just getting out the car, man. What's going on, bro? Yeah, this more hill sound. This more hill sound too good, bro. Is it 6.0 on it? 6.0? Sheesh. What kind of number she doing?
I have no clue.
Yeah.
I street tuned it.
Street tuned it? I listen, I might be wrong, but I ain't spent no E85 smart some race gas. No E85? 93?
Yeah, it's still stock fully on 93.
Sheesh. We got a ZL1 over here on the top, man. It's on the top, so you know he must be fat, man. ZL1 Gym, man. Y'all go check him out. Yeah. Any car you see on the tire, man, hey, got to be fast. I think there might be a SS over here. Tag say on slow. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, this your car? This yours? Hey, bro, correct me if I'm wrong, bro. I know I ain't tripping. I think I seen this car on the internet, bro. You got this rep from Vinyl Fraud?
Tiny Bot.
Tiny? What do they have your car like on the website with the, man, hold on, gang, hold on. Got the SRT Jeep right here, man. Like the truck right there with the lights and the wheel, man. Bro. The detail, bro. I like this joint right here, though. Now, y'all know me, man. Y'all know I love car audio, man. I used to have a setup back in the day. And, oh, man. Is it okay if I record inside, bro?
Hey, you come over here.
Man, I got to show y'all this, bro. Hold on. Ooh. I got lithium these days. Ooh. My God, it's a powerhouse. I know this in the 160s. You metered it yet?
Nah, I don't need to.
Yeah, but you know. Yeah, man. You know my next question is though.
What's that?
I got to get a demo before you leave from out here, man.
I love playing it.
Is that C-Max?
Huh?
Is that C-Max?
Nah.
How many amperes?
I ain't even see. Let's start with the doors first.
Those doors were built by a dude in Russia and
Oh,
shipped here.
dang. Now that's, oh, snap. Y'all see that now?
Hey, J-Bob.
Oh, that's tough.
So we got 20,000 watts?
What you got in here, bro?
1.5.
What you got? Oh, it's his? What you running, man?
2 10Ks on 415s.
That's crazy. Oh, check that out, y'all. Damn.
Didn't need a label, came in with my own cake. Okay. Then I fucked this rapper, baby mama, by mistake. What I wanna change for? Richard Millie, diamonds dancing, bitch, look at the rain. Used to be like how I shine. Dig that. He is not my kind. Dig that. Foreigns when we fly. Dig that. Ratchet, but she fine. My girl with me and she look just like a Barbie doll. I just walked in barn and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked in barn and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked.
Yeah, dog. What's up, man? Rob, bro. Dang. This one here so hard, bro.
I sent you with both the track hawks? Yeah. This is on the guy. Yeah, this is on the track hawks.
Bro, I know this mother running.
Yeah, what it say, man.
Sheesh. Man, y'all make sure y'all go follow my guy, man. Bro pulled up with the GTR on the drags. Jeez. Bro. This more here. Hey, listen, I need 6 cars and a hit. No. Nah, I ain't fucking with you, man. This more here. Bro. Look how fat these tires is, bro. This more here too hard. I want y'all to drop some comments down below, man. Drop some comments down below and tell me how much horsepower y'all think this GTR pushing, man. Tell me how much horsepower y'all think this GTR pushing, bro. Where's hella cars in pulled up now, though, bro? Hella cars, bro.
Well, I tell you, bro.
Oh, I'll go here. Oh, shit, that'd be that fat. Loud.
Same nigga that break your neck, bro.
Camaro, this is one right here. 5-0 thing. I like this color on this more though. This is a nice color. Huh? Yeah, it's a stock color too. Yeah, this more hard. With the brushed gold wheels, that's definitely an upgraded package though, because they got the, you know what I'm saying, all this factory. The new 5.0s, that color hard. Man, what the fuck? Man, heck no. Hey, don't look at me like that, bro. My bad. I just came to speak, bro. I don't fuck with no snakes, man. What kind of snake that is?
Reticulated python.
All I heard was python.
That's all I got is python. I got 2 more.
Oh, then she got one in her hand. She got one in her hand.
They're like dogs.
No, I don't want to hold it. Nope. You got it. You got it. You got it. I don't want to hold shit. I'm still waiting on bro to crank this more up, but this more here so loud. It's so loud. Yeah, all the hard though. Yeah, all the clean. He got a camera on his shit, so he know he be racing. What?
But ain't been a V8 Turbocharged.
Well, them more than got crazy deep, bro. Yeah, I missed it, man. Big can. LS2, supercharged. Yeah, modular powerhouse. Hellion, he got a Hellion turbo on that
What
bit.
motherfucker be doing though? Motherfucker
With
be
the
doing.
drag pack. Yeah, that's crazy. With the drag pack on that mug.